Hello there and welcome to part 3 of my robot avatar project. Those of you that have watched the other videos, you'll remember at the end of part 2 I'd just built a robot arm and it was a massive hassle and getting me down. So I've gone for a very easy project. This is a one-day project, so made in a day basically. This is to demonstrate the use of potentiometer slider inputs to turn a vehicle left and right in a similar way to a tank so that it can turn on a spot. Here's what I've made. It's very lightweight, very simple, good old Meccano frame there. Couple of 360 degree continuous servos for these back two wheels, and the front two are just freewheeling. And a very old webcam that I've just stuck on the top there. It's all connected up through a cable at the moment. And we're going to get this driving around for us. In fact, yeah, excuse the mess. This is pretty much how my place looks like after a good old build. But my Hannah Montana toolkit, my workbench, and my solder station and whatnot. But over here we've got the computer. And you can see here, this is actually the output of the webcam that is mounted onto the Ujima flip, onto the bot. Okay, so we've got a separate power source for the servos again. The Arduino board up here is running on USB power again, so it's independently powered. And these are the two potentiometers that we will slide forwards and backwards to get the little tank to move. Right, without further ado, let's power it up. Can never find the switch. Here it is. Okay. So, these tyres do not grip well on carpet. Now, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward and not very interesting like that. Where it gets quite fun though is where you are looking at the webcam. So let's just have a little look round here. Now, these potentiometers that I'm sliding around to manipulate the vehicle movement, these are actually built into gloves in the suit that the user wears to control the whole robot. So they'll be using some of their digits for controlling the pincers on the robot, and they'll be using another set of digits for controlling the movement of the robot tank base. Right, let's see if we can maneuver it through. Oh dear, I think right, I'm going to try and maneuver it through my little table underneath there. Oh look, my programming books. I think I keep missing it. It's a bit tricky with one hand. But yeah, basically it doesn't get much more interesting than this, I'm afraid. But I feel quite a lot of achievement because it's a one-day project. It's come out exactly as I wanted it to, and it's going to be a lot of fun driving around. So that's it for prototyping until I get a rep wrap. Now I've demonstrated all of the various systems that I'm going to install in the robot. So now it's just a matter of time for waiting for the rep wrap to arrive. But yeah, check back again, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much for watching.